Are you a student who wants to get fit but has no time, no gym, and no equipment? Between classes, homework, exams, and screen time, fitness usually becomes the last priority. But what if you could improve your strength, energy, and focus in just 10 minutes a day, right in your room? Today, I will guide you through a simple daily workout designed especially for students. No gym needed, no equipment required, and perfect for beginners. Just follow along. This workout will help you build full body strength, burn fat naturally, improve posture from long study hours, and increase focus for studying. All you need is a small space and your body weight. Each exercise will be done for 40 seconds, followed by 20 seconds of rest. Stay consistent and move at your own pace. Let's begin. Start with jumping jacks. Keep your back straight and land softly on your feet. Raise your arms fully overhead. This exercise increases your heart rate and warms up your entire body. If jumping feels difficult, step side to side instead. Keep breathing normally. Next, body weight squats. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back like you are sitting on a chair. Keep your chest up and knees aligned with your toes. Move slowly and stay in control. Now move into push-ups. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest slowly toward the floor and push back up. If full push-ups feel hard, perform knee push-ups or wall push-ups. Focus on proper form instead of speed. Next exercise is high knees. Run in place while lifting your knees high. Keep your core tight and swing your arms naturally. Go at a comfortable speed. Consistency matters more than intensity. Now hold a plank position. Keep your elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Do not let your hips drop or rise too high. Focus on slow breathing while holding the position. Next, alternating lunges. Step forward and lower your body until your front knee stays above your ankle. Push back and switch legs. Maintain balance and move slowly. Now mountain climbers. Keep your hands under your shoulders and bring your knees toward your chest one at a time. Keep your back flat and core engaged. Beginners can go slow and controlled. Next, arm circles. Extend your arms sideways and make small circles forward, then backward. This helps release shoulder tension caused by long hours of studying or using mobile devices. Now, glute bridges. Lie on your back with knees bent. Lift your hips upward while squeezing your glutes. Pause briefly at the top and slowly lower down. This strengthens your lower body and supports your posture. Finally, stand tall and stretch your arms overhead. Take slow, deep breaths. Relax your muscles and allow your heart rate to slow down. You have successfully completed your daily workout. Most students make a few common mistakes. They skip workouts because they think short workouts do not work. They rush exercises with poor form, and they expect instant results after one session. Remember, small daily effort creates long-term transformation. Here is your action plan. Perform this workout once every day. You can do it in the morning or during study breaks. Stay hydrated and focus on consistency instead of perfection. Follow this routine for 30 days and you will notice better stamina, improved focus, increased confidence, and a stronger body. If you completed this workout, comment "Day 1 done" below. Subscribe for more student-friendly workouts and simple fitness routines you can follow at home. Your fitness journey starts today, just 10 minutes at a time. See you in the next workout.